Ever get that feeling? You know, like you're totally in the zone, music's flowing,
Oh, yeah.
and then bam, gotta spend like 10 minutes
Totally.
trying to find that one command in DP.
It's the worst. It kills the vibe every time.
The worst. So today we're diving deep into how to customize DP, make it work for you, not the other way around.
For sure. No more of that getting lost in menus nonsense. We're talking pure efficiency here.
100%. Specifically, we're unlocking the secrets of the commands window.
Aha, the commands window.
It's like the control panel for your entire DP workflow, except the manual is pretty dense.
Yeah, well,
Chapter 9.
it's a lot.
Yeah. So consider this your shortcut to shortcut mastery,
I like that.
because we're breaking down the DP10 manual, Chapter 9, all about commands.
Nice. So, ready to make DP your own personal music machine.
Let's do it. But first, let's start with the basics. What even is the commands window, and how do we find this thing?
Think of it like DP's command center. Everything DP can do lives in there.
Okay.
Every single command. To find it, go to Setup, then Commands.
Easy enough.
Boom, there it is.
Now, I'll admit, the first time I opened this thing, I was a little overwhelmed. Where do you even begin?
Oh, DP's search function is a lifesaver. It's like supercharged search.
Okay.
You start typing, and DP's already showing you matching commands before you even finish the word.
No way. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's amazing. Especially in DP, there are a ton of commands.
So many.
It's really helpful.
So you can be like super specific with what you're looking for.
Oh, absolutely.
But what if you're just kind of browsing, you know, feeling out the vibe?
DP's gotcha. You can totally just scroll through with the arrow keys.
Nice.
Old school style, or type the first letter of a command.
Oh, that's smart.
Jumps you right to it.
Love that. But, okay, say we found the command we want to customize. Now what?
Now we bring in the big guns, command groups, and MIDI masters.
Ooh, those sound kind of intimidating.
They're not, I promise. They actually make life a lot easier.
Okay, good.
Command groups are just ways of organizing all those commands.
Right.
So like all your file commands are in one group, editing commands in another, that kind of thing. Keeps things tidy.
Makes sense.
And MIDI masters let you, well, master your commands with MIDI.
Okay, say more about that.
So if you're a MIDI controller power user, you can assign groups of commands to your controller. It's amazing for workflow.
You mean I could, like, control DP without even touching the mouse?
Pretty much. The manual even suggests dedicating an entire MIDI controller just for DP commands.
Whoa.
It's next level stuff.
That's insane. Back again, still unlocking the mysteries of DP's commands window.
We're going deep.
Deep dive. So there's this thing, right, called numeric bass note.
Ah, yes.
And honestly, it sounds kind of scary,
A little bit.
but I have a feeling it's one of those things that once you get it,
Game changer.
total game changer, right?
100%. It's all about speed,
Okay.
efficiency.
I like it. So break it down for me. Numeric bass note. What's the deal?
Okay, imagine this. You're working on a track. You need to transpose something, like a whole octave.
Yeah.
Instead of dragging each note individually, you use a numeric bass note.
Way faster.
Wait, hold on. Seriously, I can just, like, transpose a whole section of music from my MIDI keyboard?
Oh, how have I never known about this?
It's life-changing.
So how does it actually work? Like, walk me through it.
Okay, you set a bass note on your keyboard, right? Let's say middle C.
Okay, middle C.
Now, if you hit the D above middle C, it transposes everything up 2 semitones. B below, down 2 semitones. You get the idea.
So it's like a musical warp drive.
Exactly.
I'm obsessed. But I also saw you can use it for things like tempo and quantization.
Oh, yeah. Anything with a numerical value.
Wow. That's huge.
Super powerful.
I'm already kicking myself for not using this.
Huh?
Okay, another one from the DP manual that caught my eye. Chunk remote assignment. It sounds powerful,
Oh, yeah.
but no idea what it means.
Okay, so how do you normally move between different parts of a song in DP?
Oh, you mean like do different sections?
Yeah, like verses, choruses.
Usually just clicking around with the mouse.
Right. A lot of clicking.
So much clicking, it gets old.
It's tedious.
The worst.
Chunk remote assignment, my friend. That's the answer. You assign keyboard shortcuts to jump between those sections instantly.
Okay, that sounds way better than my current method. But how exactly do you set it up?
Super easy. DP can actually do it automatically. There's a setting. Add chunk selection commands automatically.
Hold up. DP will just like magically assign shortcuts to my song sections.
Pretty much.
What?
Yeah, it's smart. It uses letters and makes sure there are no conflicts with any shortcuts you already have.
Okay, so let me get this straight. I could be working on a song, hit like A for the verse, B for the chorus.
Exactly.
No more endless clicking.
It's a beautiful thing.
That's amazing. I am blown away. Okay, you've saved the best for last, right? Tell me everything about this run command feature.
This is where DP gets seriously powerful. It's like a command line interface, but for your DTO.
A command line in my music software. I don't know how to feel about this.
Trust me, it's amazing. You'll feel like a DP ninja.
Okay, if you say so. But how does it, how do you even use a command line in DP?
Easy. Hit Shift Spacebar.
Okay.
Little window pops up. Start typing the command you want. DP shows you matches. Hit Enter. It executes. Boom.
Wait, that's insane. So much faster than clicking through menus.
Totally. It's super powerful, especially if you already know the commands you use a lot.
Right. Like, if you're a seasoned DP pro, this is a game changer.
But even for beginners, it's great.
Oh, really? How so?
It remembers your recently used commands. So if there's something you do all the time, it's right there.
So convenient.
Plus, it groups similar commands together, shows you shortcuts. It's like a cheat sheet.
Wow. DP just keeps getting smarter and
It's
smarter.
a beautiful thing.
Back again, still geeking out over DP's customization superpowers.
Well, we'll just scratch the surface.
Really? There's more.
Oh yeah, DP's got one more trick up its sleeve.
Okay, you've piqued my interest. Lay it on me.
This one's huge, especially if you're collaborating with other DP users or, if you like experimenting with different setups.
Okay, I like where this is going. Tell me more.
We're talking about, get this, the ability to export and import your key bindings.
Wait, back up. I can save my custom shortcuts, like my entire DP workflow.
The whole shebang.
No way. That is incredible. Why am I only just hearing about this now?
It's one of DP's best-kept secrets. You can save it all as a preset, all your shortcuts, your MIDI mappings, everything.
So if I'm working on a new system or collaborating with someone who uses a different setup, I don't have to rebuild everything from scratch.
Exactly. You can just import their preset or they can import yours and bam, you're both speaking the same DP language.
That is so smart. It's like having a universal translator for your DP workflows.
Right. And the best part is, the DP manual even mentions that they include preset key bindings that mimic other popular DAWs.
Oh, wow. That's huge, especially for people who are new to DP.
Exactly. If you're coming from another platform, you can import a preset and ease that transition. No need to learn everything from scratch.
That's amazing. DP has really thought of everything.
They're all about customization.
It's so smart. Thinking about it, even if I wasn't switching from another DAW, I could still see myself using those presets.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Just to see how other people work. Maybe pick up some new tricks.
Totally. It's like having a library of expert DP workflows at your fingertips.
That's a great way to put it. We've covered a ton of ground in this deep dive.
We went deep.
We really did. The command window, MIDI masters, the run command, even this whole export-import thing. It's amazing how much power DP puts in our hands.
It's all there if you know where to look.
Right. And that's the beauty of it all. It's not just about making DP more efficient, although that's a huge part of it. It's about, making it your own, making it an extension of your creative process.
100%. At the end of the day, it's about getting out of your own way and letting the music flow.
So true. Well said. So to all you DP users out there, I have one question for you. What if you could trigger your most used editing function with a single keystroke? What if you could control your entire mix session from your favorite MIDI controller? The possibilities are endless. Go explore the commands window, dive into the DP manual, and most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. You might be surprised at what you discover. And hey, if you find any cool shortcuts, show the love. Let's make the DP community even more awesome.